Welcome back guys, this is Viru Vikas Kumar Srivastav and here we are going to solve a complete solution from 2007. I am talking about GATE Aerospace from 2007 onwards, and till this date we are available with 2020. So from 2007 till 2020 we'll be solving every single question here, and we'll be solving in two ways. So we'll be making two types of playlist. In one type of playlist you'll be getting solution year wise, like 2007 solution in one place, 2008 solution in one place. This is one way of playlist, and other way will be you'll be getting subject wise. For example, propulsion 2007, propulsion 2008, propulsion 2009, like that, then a structure, then like that. So subject wise will be a different playlist, and year wise will be different playlist. You can walk in the playlist and you can understand the way I have uploaded the question papers. Okay, so one information I want to share here, very important information related to conceptlibrary.in, and good for you. Actually I have you can go to our website and you can purchase previous year question paper for online practice. Listen properly, previous year question paper for online practice. I am not talking about the mock papers. You have to purchase previous question paper from 2007 till this date 2020. They are, I think, 14 question papers, and these question papers I am selling in very less price. That is just 99 rupees. Actually I was planning to sell them in free, but because I have to pay server amount, because I am saving these datas for my website on server, so that's why I am charging you guys only 99 rupees. So by paying this amount you can grab these question papers and you can practice them online, and they are especially made exactly the way you are going to write the GATE exam. So you will be having the same virtual atmosphere the way you will be having in GATE exam, and you can practice these papers on your tablet, phone or laptop. So you can purchase them and you can practice them. And after finishing a question paper, suppose you are solving question for 2007, you finished your paper in 3 hours, then you will be given with a chart. In that chart how many questions are right, wrong, everything will be mentioned there, and one special thing will be mentioned there, your all India performance. Because all India performance, to make this we have used AI, means artificial intelligence, which says if you will write the same paper in 2007, you will be better than how many students in percentage wise. So you will be getting your result as you are better than 50% students, you are better than 87% students, you are better than 90% students. Like this kind of result you will be getting in the last. And we have said this based on percentage, because every year number of students are not same. That's why we have said this based on percentage. You can also purchase our courses subject wise, and you will be getting their mock papers. Okay, I think this is not the right time to discuss those things, because for them I'll be making separate videos. And okay, so this question we will discuss now. Which of the following engine should be used by subsonic passenger transport airplane for minimum specific fuel consumption? Guys, you know this question is from propulsion department. Done. Actually this is the first question of 2007, and 4 options were given there, and option 1 was for turbojet engine with afterburner. So first thing, if you are using afterburner, then definitely to produce sudden high thrust we use afterburner. Actually these explanations already I have given in my video course for propulsion. So if you will purchase my video course, that will also be very cheap for you to purchase, and I will always keep them in the lowest price in all India than any other coaching center. So question number 1 for 2007, this question was about minimum specific fuel consumption. So guys, actually your fuel consumption has to be minimum with respect to the thrust. Means what? You have to produce more and more thrust by using less amount of fuel. 4 options were given. First option was turbojet with afterburner, and second option was turbofan, third option was ramjet, and fourth was scramjet. Actually turbofan engine leads everything, all the remaining 3, because of its one feature that is called fan. We introduce fan in the turbo fan engine, so that fan does a very good job. Because of the fan itself we get lot amount of thrust. The contribution of fan thrust is greater than the nozzle thrust in this. Okay, and these people are made for supersonic and hypersonic operations, so there definitely we use some great amount of fuel. And turbojet afterburner can't be the right option because this guy uses afterburner, and after to burn the to use afterburner we have to use supply extra amount of fuel to get the sudden thrust. So because of all these issues, when we compare them, we get the turbofan engine is the best fuel efficient engine, and for this only minimum specific fuel consumption is there. I mean, fuel consumption, specific fuel consumption is minimum.